Hello, everyone. Welcome to EDAE 698 and the last course, or one of the last courses of your AET degree. So I do know that I know all of you, but in case you need a little reminder about me, my name is Dr. Leanne Kaiser. She, her pronouns. You are welcome to address me as Leanne, Dr. Kaiser, Dr. Leanne, Professor, whatever is comfortable for you. Just briefly about me, I have two kiddos. My son is a junior in high school. My daughter is an eighth grader. My husband is a physical therapist, a firefighter, an EMT. We keep plenty busy with kids that age and a husband with that much work. I've been with CSU since 2008, so it's been a year or two, but I love our program, I love our students, and it's really been a pleasure to be able to be a part of the program for this long. A little bit about me. Let's talk, though, about this class, a little introduction to this class. So as you are well aware, this is the capstone class for this degree. Your biggest focus is going to be preparing your portfolio and a presentation. We'll get into all of the details of that right away at the beginning of this semester. But do know that this is your opportunity to really be able to synthesize and coalesce the various things that you have done throughout this degree program. There is not new content in this class. There is not new topics or textbooks or anything like that. But you will be able to really step back and have a full understanding of what you have gained from this degree and what you're going to be able to use going forward. So to that end, that is going to be our focus as we progress through this semester. This is one of my favorite classes to teach. It's really, really exciting to be with all of you here at the culmination of your degree. We'll work closely together, and we are going to have a successful semester and a successful end to your degree together.